traditionally, urine incontinence treatment included behavioral strategies like lifestyle changes, pelvic floor exercises like Kegels exercises, some medications, and surgeries. Now, each has limitations. Medications may bring side effects, exercises require consistency and correct technique, and surgery, while potentially curative, comes with risk and recovery time. Today, the latest we have in this world is Emsla chair. Now, Emsla chair is a breakthrough treatment. It is non-invasive, FDA approved, and designed specifically to address urine incontinence by targeting and strengthening pelvic floor muscles. Now, in Delhi NCR, Kalosa Aesthetic was the first center to have Emsla chair. Now, Emsla works on the principle of HIFM, where contractions are given, 11,000 pelvic floor contractions are given in 30 minutes. Now, Emsla uses HIFM energy to induce thousands of supramaximal contractions in these muscles during a single session. Now, each 28-minute session on the chair is equivalent to performing over 11,000 pelvic floor Kegel exercises, but without conscious effort. Great, isn't it? Now, patients sit comfortably, fully clothed, and there's no drug, no anesthesia which is required, and there's no downtime. Now, most clinics recommend a series of 6 to 8 sessions, usually spaced out over 3 weeks. Now, improvement in bladder control and reduction in leakage often begins after just 2 or 3 sessions, with maximum benefits after completing the full course of Emsla therapy. Now, Emsla is suitable for all men and women, including mothers with stress incontinence post childbirth, and men, especially after prostate surgery. Now, effectiveness and safety with clinical data shows that there's 95% improvement in the quality of life and bladder control following a series of Emsla treatments. Now, the procedure is completely painless, and patients have only slight tingling sensation and contractions. Now, there are minimal side effects, and there's no significant safety issue with this. The treatment is generally well tolerated. Now, Emsla stands out when compared to traditional treatment. It is non-invasive and painless, as we just discussed. It is convenient and quick, and there's efficient muscle strengthening. Now, it targets all pelvic floor muscles, not just accessible through voluntary contraction. It is completely safe and FDA approved. Now, to conclude, Emsla is ideal for those preferring non-surgical approach and to those unable to perform Kegel exercises effectively. It also suits those who are little experienced with other treatment methods. Now, while many experience lasting improvements, some studies suggest that the effects may vary and long-term benefits are still being evaluated. Now, if you have any queries regarding incontinence, you can always visit us at our Gurgaon Center at Kalosa Aesthetics or call us at the given numbers. Thank you.